Hello, dear students. Here I am Sajini John, your maths teacher. Welcome back to our maths class. This is the continuation of the chapter solving problems based on quadratic equation. Once again, I remind you the process. The steps are: first step, represent the unknown quantity of the problem by the letter or variable x. Then translate the given statement to form an equation in terms of x. That is, you will get a quadratic equation. Then as usual, we can solve the equation. Okay. And remember, the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now exercise 6b, first question. The sides of a right-angled triangle containing the right angles are 4x centimeter and 2x minus 1 centimeter. Two sides are given. If the area of the triangle is 30 centimeter square, calculate the lengths of its sides. Here, what is given in this question? Two sides containing right angle and the area of the triangle given. Now we can draw a figure, a right triangle. You can draw a right triangle ABC, and this is the right angle at B. This is the right angle, and therefore the given two sides are these two. We can mark 4x and 2x minus 1. At the same time, area also given. So we can write area of the triangle is 30 centimeter square. Right? Now, remember the formula for finding area of the triangle. This is a right angled triangle. Therefore, this is the height of the triangle. This is base. We can consider this as base. And this is the height of the triangle. So we can use the formula half BH. Right? So, area of the triangle is equal to half BH. Therefore, which is equal to 30 centimeter square. Here, base is this BC and h, height is 4x. We can substitute that values here. Then, you will get half of 2x minus 1 into 4x is equal to 30. Simplify that equation. That is 4x square minus 2x transpose 30 to the left side, you will get minus 30 equal to 0. Again, we can simplify this equation by taking 2 outside. 2 is common factor. You can take it outside. Then it becomes, okay, you can take 2 outside. Then it becomes 2 into x square, 2 into 2x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now you can transpose this 2 to the other side. Then the equation becomes 2x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. Then you can solve this equation using product and sum method. In that way, you can solve this equation. At last, you will get the result. Sides are 4x and 2x minus 1 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, you can see all steps here from this expression directly solved. But we can simplify that equation in this form and you can do in that way. You can see all steps here. Okay. Therefore, sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 4x and 2x minus 1. X is equal to 3. Therefore, substitute that value here. And we can find the hypotenuse also. How? Just apply Pythagoras theorem. That is AB the whole square plus BC the whole square is equal to AC the whole square. That is 4x the whole square plus 2x minus 1 the whole square is equal to AC square. Solve that equation by yourself. Okay. Let's see second question. Question number 2. I'll read the question. These are the simple, very simple questions, so no need of much explanation. We have already learned this type of questions in standard 9. So, question number 2. Question number 2. I'll explain that and you can do by yourself. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 26 centimeter and the sum of the other two sides is 34 centimeter. Find the lengths of its sides. Now we can draw a figure. Draw the figure. Hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Hypotenuse is 26 centimeter, that is given. And the sum of the other two sides is 34 centimeter. Sum of the other two. So, let's assume one side as x. Therefore, what is the other side? That is 34 minus x. Sum of these two is 34. Therefore, the other side is 34 minus x. Here also find the lengths of its sides. Therefore, we want to find x. Here, which theorem we can apply? It is a right angle triangle. Now you can see three sides are there. And we know hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That thing. That means Pythagoras theorem again we can apply here. So start. Let one side be x. Other side is the 34 minus x. By Pythagoras theorem, this x square plus 34 minus x the whole square is equal to 26 the whole square. Okay. On solving, you can open this bracket as usual, that is a minus b the whole square form. And when you do in that way, you will get a quadratic equation. Check whether your answer is correct or not. That quadratic equation is x square minus 34x plus 24. 240, not to 24. 240 equal to 0. On solving, you will get x is equal to 10 or 24. X is equal to 10 or 24. And both these values are positive and both values are possible here. Okay. (24) and okay. Now next question. Third one homework and do fourth one. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle exceeds one side by 1 centimeter and the other side by 18 centimeter. Okay. Find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle exceeds one side by 1 centimeter and the other side by 18 centimeter. Therefore, we can consider hypotenuse as x. So, let's see hypotenuse be x and it exceeds one side by 1 centimeter. Therefore, one side is x minus 1 centimeter and the other side is x minus 18 centimeter according to the statement. Now here also we can apply that Pythagoras theorem. So square of this x minus 1 the whole square plus x minus 18 the whole square is equal to x square. You can see by Pythagoras theorem. You can see the steps. That is x minus 1 the whole square plus x minus 18 the whole square is x square. Just open brackets. You can see x minus 1 the whole square, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here also the same identity we can use. When you open this bracket and transpose this x square to the left side, and in the next step we get a quadratic equation. X square minus 38x plus 325 is equal to 0. We can use product and sum method. Product is 325 and the sum is minus 38. So By factorization method, prime factor method, we can find two values. Trial and error method we can use. You can see minus 25 and minus 13. Sum is minus 38 and product is 325. Okay. In that way you can split the middle term, this 38 like this, minus 25 minus 13, and grouping, and then factorized. X minus 25 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, therefore, x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 13. Now, x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 13. We can check whether both values are possible or not. If x is equal to 13, suppose x is equal to 13, 13 minus 18, we get a negative number. That means the length of its side is negative. Is it possible? No. So we can ignore that value. So the value of x is 25. 25 is possible. 25 minus 18, it is positive. 25 minus 1, that also positive. You can check, substitute that values and check whether it is correct or not. You can check your answer by putting this value there. Therefore, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. One side is 24, x minus 1, that is 24 centimeter, and the other side x minus 18, 25 minus 18, that is 7 centimeter. Okay. Then next question, fifth one, actually that is also simple. You can do as homework. You can see the figure for fifth question. You can see the fifth question. You just see. The diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meter more than its shorter side, and the larger side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the rectangle. We can draw a rectangle and diagonal. It is given. Let shorter side be x. So this is the shorter side x, and its diagonal, that is, it is given diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side. Therefore, diagonal is x plus 60, and the longer side is 30 meter more than its shorter side. Therefore, longer side is x plus 30. You can see one right triangle here. Can you see? One right triangle. And using Pythagoras theorem, the same theorem we can apply here. That is, x square plus x plus 30 the whole square is equal to x plus 60 the whole square. Simplify this equation, then you will get a quadratic equation, and then you can solve it. Now, sixth also homework we can do. Seventh. A footpath of uniform width runs round the inside of a rectangular field 32 meter long and 24 meter wide. If the path occupies 208 meters square, find the width of the footpath. That is the question. So we can draw a figure, footpath. Look, you can see this is footpath of equal width. This shaded portion is footpath, and this is inside a rectangular field. You can see this is the rectangular field. This one is the rectangular field. ABCD is a rectangular field, and this footpath is inside this rectangular field. Therefore, inside we can draw this footpath of equal width. Therefore, equal width, we want to find the width of the footpath. Therefore, we can start. Let width of the footpath be x. This is x. You can see this is x. Okay. And the length and breadth of this rectangular field already given, that is 32 meter and 24 meter. We can mark there. Okay. And this part, this shaded portion, area of this shaded portion is 208 meter square. Okay. How can we connect all these things? Actually, area of this shaded portion is area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle, right? This area. Okay. And area of, length and breadth of outer rectangle are given. Can you find length and breadth of the inner rectangle? Here you can see this width is x, this also x, and this length is 32 meter. Therefore, what is this distance? It is obviously 32 minus x plus x, that is 2x. 32 minus 2x. Similarly, this part is also, can you see that? Okay, this part is also 24. This part is 24, therefore minus x, that is 24 minus 2x. Okay, so we get the length and breadth of the inner rectangle. Now you can find the area of the outer rectangle and area of inner rectangle. Area of outer rectangle is 24 into 32. Area of inner rectangle is 32 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x. Therefore, we can connect area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle is equal to 208 meter square. Now, substitute values. 32 into 24 minus. Okay, 32 into minus 2x into 24 minus 2x is equal to 208. On solving, if you get this equation, then the remaining part you can complete. That is this product of this 768 minus transpose 208 to the left side, and this part, whole part together to right side, transpose. Okay, when we simplify this, we get, you can see these steps. Okay, and you will get a quadratic equation, that is x square minus 28x minus 52 equal to 0, and you can find x as usual. You can solve this quadratic equation, and the remaining part you can do by yourself.